Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to build a prompt structure. To get a perfect ChatGPT prompt, to have a great answer out of ChatGPT is sometimes hell of a work. You just need to focus on the five key elements of creating a perfect prompt to have the best answer or unlock the potential of ChatGPT for your every question. You don't need to find or follow any guru for the perfect ChatGPT prompt. Just focus on these five key elements. First one is who is asking or identity. Second one is the objective. That what is the objective of your question, what you are asking. The third one is the input and the context, like on what context you are asking the question. The fourth one, your output and the answer format. And the fifth and the final one, the task decomposition. The way you are going to decompose it, the task for ChatGPT, the better answer you will get. So in the coming part of the video, I am going to show you in details how you will achieve that. Stay tuned. Simply means that the hat you are going to give ChatGPT to give your answer. So just by example, let me ask ChatGPT, tell me about Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil Triangle, is a region in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean. So this is a kind of answer from ChatGPT with vivid details. So let us change our hat. Tell me about Bermuda Triangle for a standard 5 student. So this way we just changed our identity, that for whom the answer is being written. So see, this is more simplified now. The Bermuda Triangle is a famous area in the ocean shaped like a triangle, located between three places: Miami in Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. So now this answer is more simplified. So let us change our hat again. Tell me about Bermuda Triangle for a research scholar. So you see now the answer is changing. It is in more detail, like it came around historical context, documented incidents, theories and explanations. So this way, by changing your identity, you can have multiple answers for the same question.
So now this is the second one on how to create a perfect prompt. The second one is, as I said earlier, is objective. Like you need to define a clear objective to ChatGPT to get the best refined answer out of it. So let us edit the first prompt on tell me about Bermuda Triangle and show you the differences on giving perfect objective. So edit message. So in the place of tell me, I am going to write define. Now see the answer will change. So you just saw it is just have given one definition. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is bounded by points like Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has gained notoriety due to reports of mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft within the sea, and the so on and so forth. It's just a definition, no details, nothing else. So, again, uh, let us edit this also. Edit message, define Bermuda Triangle for a research scholar. So you see, now it is creating a new definition, as we have mentioned, a positive action for research scholar. So this answer is more refined by keeping in the mind the needs of a research scholar. Like another thing you can do, write 10 blog post ideas on Bermuda Triangle. So this is also another objective. Objective was I want to write 10 blog posts. So ChatGPT is giving me the idea. So this way you can use the objective of your prompt to get more defined answer as per your needs.
The third prompting structure we are going to talk about is context and input. So context in brief, it will be like this: that ChatGPT is already pre-fed with large amount of data. Still, for your better output or better result, the more input you can give to ChatGPT or more context you can give to ChatGPT, it will give you more better result. Like there are two ways of going through it, as I understand. First, say my previous example, I was telling you about or informing you about or revolving you around the result of Bermuda Triangle. The same blog post of anyone, you can copy it from Google and give it to ChatGPT. That your idea of doing the same should be in the same way. And second could be that you can give your structure, that this way you want to have define your answer. So it's the same way ChatGPT will define. So let me show you the both examples. So let us start from here. Give me a vlog post idea for my YouTube channel. Subject is Bermuda Triangle. I am copying one framework for the same. Please enhance the answer accordingly. So I have given it the prompt and the entire blog post I copied from Wikipedia. So you see now ChatGPT is creating the answer with the context what I have given to ChatGPT. So here it is. Introduction, segment 1, segment 2, then segment 3, theories and explanation is still writing. So this according to the blog post I copied and give it to ChatGPT. So this is a way of giving context to ChatGPT. The second, as I was discussing, the same thing we can write I am a YouTuber. Please write a vlog post for my channel. Subject is Bermuda Triangle. Make it engaging in following ways. Now you write first definition, second history, third scientific value, fourth future, and fifth my audience are teenagers. So this last output is very important. Like you can define ChatGPT for the your audience or the age group of your audience. So it will create the answer according to that. So let's see what would be the output. So you see, for my sorry, for my blog post in YouTube, ChatGPT is starting it from introduction. Then, as I have written, it is starting from definition, then history, then scientific value, then future of it. It is still writing, then the conclusion. So this way, you can give ChatGPT context. The fourth one is the output style and format. It simply means the way you want to have output of your question of or your query. The simpler examples would be you asked a question, you want to answer in short format, in long format, in tabular format, even you want to have the answer in the form of some celebrity. Like you can ask the answer in the style of Virat Kohli, in the style of Narendra Modi, in the style of Putin, in the style of Barack Obama, whoever you want. Let me show you quick examples. The same one, the Bermuda Triangle we were going through. Write details about Bermuda Triangle in tabular form. So here it is. As I asked the output in tabular form, the same thing what it was writing earlier in long format, now it is writing on tabular format. So this is a very simple example. The same thing, same Bermuda Triangle, write about Bermuda Triangle in the style of Donald Trump. So you know the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most mysterious places on earth. Folks, believe me, it's got this huge reputation, huge. It is in the Atlantic Ocean, right? Between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Tremendous location, beautiful waters, but very, very mysterious. Lots of ships and planes, they just disappear. Poof, gone. Nobody knows why. It is incredible. So you see, it is the style of the Donald Trump. The same way you can ask for your favorite celebrity and it will give answer in their tone. So this is all about output you can have out of your answer. Thank you.
Now let us discuss about task decomposition techniques for effective prompt engineering. There are mainly three methods. First one is divide and conquer technique. The best example I can give, imagine you have to bake a cake. If you try to do everything at once, it may not work. Instead, break it down. Step 1, gather ingredients. Step 2, mix the batter. Step 3, bake the cake and decorate it. Your cake is ready. The same way, if you want to achieve anything by prompt engineering or giving perfect prompt to ChatGPT, break it down. Like you want to start a marketing campaign, just don't write that I want to start marketing campaign for XYZ reason. Better you break it down. Break it down in different sub content, then your entire content will be get ready.
The next technique is functional decomposition. Think about planning a vacation. Instead of seeing it as one big task, break it into smaller functions. Function 1, choose a destination. Function 2, book flights and accommodation. Function 3, plan activities and sightseeing. Function 4, pack your bags. This way, each step is clear and you would not miss anything important. The idea is when you create your next blog post, divide it to small tasks and give it to ChatGPT 4. It will give you perfect idea and you are ready for an awesome blog post. If you like the video, do share, like and subscribe. The third is input and output analysis. Consider writing a blog post. Start by analyzing what you need, that is your input, and what you want to achieve, that is your output. Input could be topic idea, research and outline, and process is write the draft, edit it, and add images. Output, a polished, engaging blog post ready to publish. By focusing what goes in and what comes out, you can ensure the final product is exactly what you want. As simple as that, more define and refine input you will give to ChatGPT, more better result you will have. Hope you like this series of video. Do like, share and subscribe. If you want to know something more, do let me in comments.